Learn real English from factory life dialogues from quality assurance at a ready meals factory. Understand, listen, and speak like you're really there with Poqantka.
Chapter 2, Daily QA Tasks. Morning, Fiona. Ready for today's checks? Absolutely, Tom. Did you see the new batches come in last night? We need to be on our toes with those. Yeah, I noticed. Let's start with the tray seals. I'll grab the torch, and you can take the first row. Sounds good. Remember, if there's any sign of a seal not holding, we need to log it right away. It's crucial for food safety. Right, I'll check the first row now. Just looking for any signs of leakage or if the seal appears loose. Keep an eye out for the integrity of the seal as well. Sometimes they look fine but aren't airtight. If you find something, we'll need to escalate it. Got it. Here's one that looks a bit off. See how the seal isn't uniform? It's got a small gap on the corner. Let me take a closer look. Yes, that's definitely a cause for concern. We can't have any chance of contamination. Let's mark it as non-conforming and log it on the sheet. I'll fill in the details, product code, the issue, and the time of inspection. And I'll flag it for the supervisor. Good. Now let's check the labels on the next tray. They need to be accurate, right? Exactly. We need to ensure the product name, ingredients, and allergens are all correctly displayed. I'll check the first one. Remember to look for the expiry date too. If it's past the date, that's a major issue. Here's the first label, chicken curry with rice. Ingredients look correct, and the allergens are all listed, but the expiry date is a week old. That's a problem. We can't let that go out. Mark it as mislabeled and make sure we notify production to remove it from the line. On it. I'll log that now. How are you getting on with the seals? Finished the first batch. All clear except for the one we flagged. I'll move on to the next set. You want to join me? Sure, let's double check these together. It's always better to have a second pair of eyes. Good thinking. If we can catch any issues now, we'll save everyone a lot of trouble later. Exactly. And if it's not too busy after this, we can do a quick training session on how to identify seal issues for the new recruits. Brilliant idea. It's important they understand the implications of improper sealing. Absolutely. It's not just about seeing a problem, it's about understanding why it matters. Right, here's another one with a seal that looks iffy. What do you reckon? Let's do a water test on it. If it leaks, we know for sure it's a problem. Good call. I'll grab the water bottle. Just a small amount should do it. Alright, let's see. Drip it on the edge. If it seeps through, we'll need to reject this one. Looks like it's leaking. That's definitely no good. I'll log it as well. Perfect. We're on a roll here. How's the label verification going? Just about done with the second batch. I've flagged another one with a missing allergen notice. We need to get that sorted before it goes out.